Hello beautiful people. Today I want to talk about conversations, communications, and how to be an active listener, how to speak, and do not give advice. We have made this mistake before, but our problems, we have to solve them by ourselves. They are here to teach us something, so if your partner or some colleague or friend has a problem, try to just, let's say, guide him, listen him, feel him, her, but do not try to give advice. And if you are listening, first of all you have to be calm, you have to feel the other person, you have to enter the world of that person, enter the shoes of that person to see what she is experiencing, to try to observe yourself, not to give advice, not to try to judge the person or to try to help him. Just listen to the story, try to... Sorry about plane. Try to point out your feelings about the situation, and if you want to say something, just say it in some very short manner without entering in too much stories. And yes, you have to show yourself that you are listening and you are observing. And if you are talking, again you have to talk slower. You don't have to go fast. You have to make pauses between lines, between important moments. You have to leave blank spaces for the sorry for the train also. You have to make your partner or your friend or the audience to have some involvement in the conversation, to see many points of view. And if you see that your conversation is not going well, either end it or try to tell some joke, try to ask the people or the audience for what is the best thing that they have done in this situation. And if someone breaks your conversation, there are many ways. First and most common is interrupting. Then you can try to speak about yourselves or about someone who has had the same problem. Other ways to express something general, or try to tell the person that you know how to get out from this situation, or you are trying to be bossy. And there are many ways to mess the things up. Most importantly is to be a good listener, to understand what you're hearing, and to express yourself. Thank you for your time. Bye. Have a nice day.